Hello, my name is Lane Campbell, and I've been implementing a new mechanic into my tile-based game project. This mechanic is called the tile switch, and I'm going to show it off for you. This mechanic was originally designed by my peer Mattingly Forbes. So what it does is I step on the tile switch there, and it moves a wall one space away and swaps places with the target. I can activate that as many times as I want. And when I saw Mattingly's mechanic, I thought it would pair really well with my trampoline, because my trampoline allows the player to jump on top of walls. And since with this, I'm able to move the walls around, it changes the explorable layout for the player, and I thought to make some really interesting puzzles. So I'm going to show some of those off for you as well. So here we see that the swappable wall can also move the player to other sections when he's on top of it. It also goes for objects like the trampoline there. Of course, I can also just make paths for myself. And when you have the swappable walls target other swappable walls, you're able to make pretty interesting puzzles as well. You can move these around to get my trampoline out so I can clear the level.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.